This show is part of the Recovered Life Network. Check us out at recoveredlife.tv.
When illicit drug trafficking networks expand their distribution channels into island communities and tight-knit rural regions, the local public health consequences can be catastrophic. Isolated geography often makes these areas vulnerable targets for high-volume distributors looking to establish lucrative illicit supply routes. But according to a major crime report published by King 5 News, federal law enforcement agencies have delivered a decisive blow to a massive trafficking operation that funneled deadly quantities of narcotics into western Washington. A federal judge sentenced a key conspirator following an extensive investigation that uncovered the illegal shipment of over 245 pounds of fentanyl, methamphetamine, and other controlled substances directly to Whidbey Island. Federal prosecutors revealed that the trafficking ring utilized commercial shipping and postal delivery services to transport massive quantities of narcotics from out-of-state supply hubs straight into the Puget Sound region. By hiding bulk quantities of fentanyl pills and crystal methamphetamine inside everyday packages, the organization attempted to bypass standard highway interdiction efforts. However, a joint task force comprising the Drug Enforcement Administration, United States Postal Inspection Service, and local law enforcement agencies intercepted multiple suspicious parcels, conducting meticulous surveillance operations that tracked the shipments directly to the distribution nodes on Whidbey Island. The sheer volume of narcotics seized during the operation highlights the grave danger posed to local communities. Law enforcement officials pointed out that 245 pounds of fentanyl and methamphetamine represents hundreds of thousands of lethal doses removed from street circulation. In federal court, prosecutors emphasized that dismantling high-level distribution pipelines is essential to curbing overdose spikes, disrupting violent crime networks, and preventing illicit drugs from overwhelming regional healthcare and emergency services. Ultimately, King 5 News' coverage underscores the critical impact of multi-agency law enforcement coordination in protecting vulnerable communities from organized drug networks. By combining federal investigative resources with local intelligence, authorities successfully closed a major narcotics pipeline and held those responsible accountable. The outcome sends a clear message that using postal and delivery networks to traffic dangerous drugs into Washington communities carries severe, long-term federal prison consequences.